Imagine a cutting-edge solution for vaccine production now within reach. This is a complete mRNA vaccine production line. It is brand new, never used, but was factory acceptance tested. The line is fully specified, documented, and ready for installation. It was originally specified by Bayer, and it was intended for a Bayer facility in Berkeley, California. This production line comes with full set of documentation included from Bayer, such as specifications, test protocols, FAT tests, turnover packages, software and hardware specifications, IQ and OQ protocols for software and hardware, mechanical drawings, and much more. This is a great opportunity to acquire a top-of-the-line mRNA pilot production line for a fraction of cost. Additional engineering is available to help with purification, clean-in-place systems, waste systems, additional automation and integration, and much more.